Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear students. Today I stand before you to have a talk on a very fascinating and debatable topic of optics, a branch of physics, the light. You see, what subtitle I have given to my presentation, a scientific and origin of religion. Now, this is where I'll confine my talk. This is the parameter into which I'll confine my talk. So, it's like light is the most universal. Light is the most universal and fundamental symbols. Universal in the meaning dedicates that it is the very basic principle and the very basic quanta which you can see all around in this world, in this known world as well as the universe. So this is why it is called universal. Okay, and fundamental indicates that it is the very basic of all the energies you possess or any other living or non-living being possesses. This is light. Next slide. Okay, so what is the basic idea behind giving it this subtitle, a scientific end and a religious origin? Scientific end is because till now we are not in the position to describe light completely. That is why I called it a scientific end. This is because many theories prevailed. If I talk about the Maxwell's theory, light is considered to be as an electromagnetic pulse. If I talk about the Newtonian physics, light is considered to be as a particle, corpuscular theory. If I consider it as quanta, according to quantum theory, as propagated by Einstein and Planck, light showed each and every property belonging to these separate theories. Ultimately, the scientists were forced to accept the fact that light is everything. When I treat or believe it as a wave, it shows me the property of waves. When I believe it as a particle, it shows the property of particles. So this is why I called it scientific end. Because now we only depend upon one belief, one word, one faith that light is everything. And here comes the second thought, that is origin of religion. Religion is based on faith, on belief. You see, isn't it surprising that each and every major religion around the world considers light to be a representative of goodness, wisdom, knowledge, despite of the fact that they are different in many of the cases. But this one particular basic principle, they follow the same cue. That is why the word belief, the faith is more important. You see, intangibles are always more powerful than the tangible ones. Now let me explain to you what are intangible and tangible. This mic over here, this is tangible. I can touch it. You can have a physical contact with it. This podium, this is tangible. But belief, honesty, self-confidence, these are intangibles. Let me give you an example. That idol over there. If I talk about the tangible properties of that idol, I must say it is a metamorphic marble or something. But when I talk about the intangible, your belief, the intangible, that no, she is Ma Saraswati, the source of knowledge and harmony power for me. This is more powerful. Outside in the temple, he is Lord Hanuman, the source of green and